I am at the Ghazipur border, the NH9 highway which leads to Meerut. On this very highway, the farmers are protesting against the 3 contentious farm laws. Heavy police is deployed on this road. As you can see, lot of police people are here and are trying to crack down the protest. They want to clear the protest site and want the farmers to leave as soon as possible. However, the farmers here at the protest are not willing to leave. Rakesh Taket, who is here at the protest site on the stage, has said that he will not leave and is doing a fast unto death. He has said that he will not move at all. He will hang himself here but not leave until the protest is completed. A lot of farmers have apparently left. A lot of tents are empty. Women and children are not many here. We can see old men, young men, but women and children have most likely left. Rakesh Taket has asked all the farmers, all the protesting farmers to come and sit near the stage and to not move at all from their places. He says that he is determined that until the farm laws are repealed, he and his fellows will not leave. However, as you can see, there is a lot of police deployed here and they want that the farmers, protesting farmers, leave the very site. One miscreant was also arrested. He has been taken by the police. He has seemed to have apparently mistreated some of the media personals. The other side of the story on the arrest of the miscreant is that he is somebody from the BJP, somebody from the other side, but no clarity is yet there on what and why was he arrested. As you can see, a lot of tents are here, but most of them have been emptied. There is no guarantee about who has left, if the farmers have left or not, but the number of farmers here at the Ghazipur border seems very less. Behind me is the stage where the farm leaders are resting. Here is where Rakesh Taket got furious when the ADM came with a couple of other police personnel. They had a discussion for some time, after which Rakesh Taket took to the microphone and said that I will not leave. मुझे गोली मार दोगे लेकिन मैं यहाँ से नहीं जाऊँगा. As you can see, all the farmers that are here at the protest, most of them are now sleeping near the stage itself. They are not moving, they are eating here, they are sleeping here. However, a lot of tractors have apparently left. We saw a lot of them packing things up and moving. They were not ready to tell us where they were going, what they were thinking of doing, but they just told us that they are not leaving. However, the number of protesters here seem to be lessened now. We see a lot of old men here, but a lot of protesters have actually left is what I think. But the farm leaders are asking the protesters to stay back, to be determined to not move at all and keep their spirits high.